Hey everybody, welcome back. This video, we're going to do some lighting. We're going to do some Lego stuff that should not be done, but we're going to do it anyway. So, let's get into it. Alright, I've already done one side of my lights. I want to do the other side now, right here. So, this is what we're going to do. First of all, you got to have all this stuff. Pretty much everything I got here is off Amazon. So, just look around, find what you need. I've already done a video previously, so check that out on what I already called out, the soldering gun, all that stuff. You're gonna need a drill, all that good stuff. Variety of bits, that's a big one. Okay, so like I said, I've already done one side. I need to do the other side now really fast. Don't be afraid. You can actually cut Lego. Just don't tell anybody. They won't judge you. I won't judge you. So when you plan on routing your wires, you got to sometimes redo your build. So you've got places for routing for your wires to go. If not, you're going to have to drill through a couple layers. So I've already drilled through my double jumper there, like so, one on one side. I have to do the other side, and also through my plate on the front on the grill. So once again, don't hesitate. Use everything to line the next piece up with. Since I've already done one, I know that I've got to elongate that hole just like the other side. Do a little trim on the studs on the side for the light itself. Okay. Route your lights in there like so. There's one side. Grab my other light that I've already soldered, but I'm just going to just clip it really fast. Those wire connections a little tighter together. There, that's better. Like that. Jumper on the front. That with the other headlight, which is right there. Okay, so you got a good looking front right there. It will fit underneath that like so. Bend the wires a little bit so that way it'll fit better underneath the front hood. Which it should do now. Okay. This now Obviously our battery box is right here. We don't need those long wires. So I'm going to trim that back and resolder that onto there. Make that nice little connection. So that's what I'm going to do now. Okay, so got that part wired up. I made the connection now there on my view is. So put the shroud back on. I have to try and get my wiring kind of stuffed in there for right now. Okay, so I'll modify that so it'll snap on there better like that. But for right now, that's with that all on there. Now we're going to turn on the BWiz to show you how this works. Okay, so we got it wired, we got it in. I made one mistake though. This works for a battery box, the outside, when you want power on all the time. Now on this BWiz, I forgot, you use the center ones wherein you want it to control by a button or a slider, something like that where it's variable. So if you want the power always on, like say clearance lights for the train, you can have them on the outside. So I had to switch them to the inside ones. Same process, check to see which one's positive, one's negative. We are now to this where I got it all put back together. I've only done this side right here for times restraint, but I'm going to do the same thing because I have two more posts on the BWiz. So I'll do one for the other end. So whatever direction it's going, it can have a headlight. And then the other one, I'll probably do like an interior glow or something for the cab. So that will use up all four spots on the train itself. So in there, you got a little on button. I turned it on. I got the green light already. So let's try this out. Let's see if all this actually works. Okay. So when you power up the BWiz, when you download the app, you'll get something like this. You can put your own screen, pick out the motor, your sliders, drive it. That's the app. Now I'm ready to drive it. Turn it on. This is where I can turn on the headlight. Boom, like that. Now with this app, I can do something as simple as, let's do this really fast, where I can pick, say, a slider. Okay, now that I'm ready to do this, now I'm going to have that on a slider where I can adjust the brightness. So I can do it either way. That's where I'll get my parking lights or my interior lights is off of that. But anyway, turn that all the way up. There's my headlights. There's my train. I just need to now put the handrails on it. Maybe a little bit more detail, finish the lights. It's going to be complete. All right, let's see if this thing will do what it's made to do. Well, I think that does a pretty good job. So I'm pretty happy with the overall build, the experience of it, the detail, the size. It'll match the rest of my trains great. So, yep. Once again, thank you for watching. If you have any questions, if you want me to dive more into doing more electrical, things like that, please let me know, put in the comments. Please subscribe to other projects that we're going to have coming up. Thank you for watching.